สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Monday, new recipe! Today I would like to show you spicy stir-fry noodles with prawns and herbs or drunken noodles. In Thai we call it Pad Kee Mao, Pad stir-fry, Kee Mao, drunk person. Why is it called drunken noodle? Maybe this dish was created by a drunk person looking for hot and spicy food to eat with their drink. It can be, right? Are you ready? Let's go! Thai holy basil, baby corn, long red chili, kaffir leaf, mushroom, cooking oil, oyster sauce, sugar, fish sauce, mushroom soy sauce, mushroom seasoning powder, prawns, fresh black pepper, noodles, garlic, fingerroot, and bird's eye chili. As most of the time, I will start with herbs and veggies. Just pick the leaf. Now prepare kaffir leaf, same as for tom sat. I will not use much, only 4-5 leaves. Now baby corn. Don't forget to rinse your veggies. Peel the fingerroot. Thinly slice your fingerroot. I will use 2 different chilies. The little one called bird's eye chili is for spiciness, very spicy. The long one we use for decoration and smells. It's not very spicy. Add this for me. Now we start using the mortar. First, remove the skin. Add your little chili. Don't forget to remove the head. And now pound it well. Be careful your eyes. Remove the prawn skin. And you can also remove the tail skin if you want, but traditionally in Thailand, we never remove it. I don't know why. If you know why we keep it, please tell me in the comment. Add the paste in hot oil. Add prawns. Wait 1 to 2 minutes and add noodles. Add a bit of water and stir. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder. Time to add the veggies: mushroom, peppercorn, fresh pepper, fingerroot, and long chilies. Turn off the heat and mix everything well. And last but not least, herbs, Kaffir leaf, and Thai basil. And voila! Bon appetit! Trust me, when you are drunk, that can wake you up. It is quite spicy, but also full of flavors and smells. You don't have to be drunk to eat it though. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a comment. It really motivates me a lot. And consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Also, don't forget to shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย Pad Kee Mao, this dish is very Thai style. You can feel the spicy, salty, and how to say fresh herbs. It's very good. You have to try it.